horizontal lines. I moan and whistle sweet melodies within your ear as you enter me. The penetrating thrust sends erotic electricity. Lots of ear biting, quite exciting, and slow motion Frenching and breast scalp massages, whispered vows, and naked ecstasy. There's an odyssey. I love you inside of me, feeling the oneness of two bodies in one being, like in the beginning. I came from your side, it was like erotic equals and mental masters and spiritual sidekicks, and it's two horizontal lines meeting in our Netherlands and mingling, making love like in the beginning, like horizontal lines. If you like that poem or any other poetry, you can find all of my poetry books on blurb.com under Diamond Chronicles. Throwback Poetry Thursday.